Saturday morning. Oh, the light from the window is coming in at quite the poor angle. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and we're gonna do a little weekend vlog. This is gonna be a pretty chill weekend. I don't have too much going on. Will is not around this weekend. I have some plans with my friend tonight. I'm gonna watch a movie, we're gonna make woo bowls, it's gonna be so fun. And I'm actually trying out a new ballet studio this morning, which I am really excited about, but also kind of nervous about. I feel like whenever you try out a new place, it's always like, oh, what's it gonna be like? You always kind of wonder. I feel like a place can be like, oh, this is an intermediate ballet class, or actually the class I'm taking is an advanced beginner class, but I messaged them and they were like, no, like our company members take this class. I'm like, if your company members are taking an advanced beginner class, what is your advanced classes like? Like, I'm very curious what the vibe is actually going to be. I feel like whenever I was doing my triathlon, I kind of had to put some ballet to the side, which is really sad because ballet is like my first love. So when I finished the triathlon, I was like, I really want to spend some time getting a little bit more focused again on ballet. I wanted to find a studio more nearby. I go into the city, I go to one like near where I work. Both of those are a bit of a trek, so I wanted to find something a little bit closer that had a bit more of a flexible schedule and that I could possibly go to like during the week as well. But I figured I would try it out today because I want to know like what the parking situation is and everything, and I just feel like it's easier to do that in daylight and when I'm not like rushing from work or anything like that. So it's currently 10:35. I fully slept in until 10 a.m. this morning and it was amazing. I literally was so in need of some good sleep. I wonder what my Aura ring says. I feel like I trust the Aura ring more than my Garmin. I feel like it's gonna be on the lower side just because I like had some drinks last night, and I feel like it's kind of crazy like to see the effects of alcohol on your body. Like, it's such like a drastic difference. I don't know if everybody is like that. I definitely am. Okay, we have a readiness score of 75 today. 75. That's not too bad actually. I've seen worse. My sleep score was 87. Oh yeah, elevated resting heart rate. Your resting heart rate continues to be elevated. That's definitely because I had some wine. And a good solid 8 hours and 40 minutes of sleep last night. Love. Anyway, we're gonna go get ready for ballet class and then we're gonna try out the studio. I don't know how much I'll vlog in the studio, but especially because it's new, I don't know like what the vibe will be. Okay, I am pretty much all ready for this class. My phone. I'm pretty much all ready for this class. I just need to actually purchase the class on my phone, so I'm gonna do that now. They have like a point class afterwards, which I'm kind of tempted to go to as well. I don't know. I'm back from ballet. I'm currently sitting literally like on the staircase right now. Couldn't even make it all the way up the stairs. I had a great time. The class was good. It was definitely a little bit of a small studio. There wasn't many people in the class, but everyone was really nice. I actually really liked the tempo of the class. I felt like I was working hard. Some of the combinations definitely like tripped me up a little bit, which I do like, to be like challenged in that way and having to like remember different combinations. And I like when the teacher is just like go and they show the combination quickly and you kind of have to like learn how to remember things. I feel like that is always really good. I also stayed for point, which was pretty darn humbling, to be honest. I've been dancing on point for ages, and I take like my normal classes, like I will do center on point like pretty much every week, but like doing center on point versus like taking an actual point class, especially a point class that's like a little bit more beginner focused, which this one definitely was. It's like you're really focusing on strength, and I feel like that is like something I need to go back to, and I need to like do that more often, because while yes, I'm like fine on point and like I can do the stuff in the center, like I'm confident in whatever it is, I just feel like I am lacking some of the strength that I used to have. And so going to a point class definitely showed me that that is in fact correct, and I really do need to work on my point skills and just like getting stronger, which I already knew. But yeah, it was good. And everyone in the class was really, really nice, which is always fun. So I met a few new people. We'll see. Hopefully I can go back there again. I think I will try to. I'm gonna go ahead and have a shower now, and then I will check back in with you guys once I have done that. I think it's just gonna be chill for a while. I do need to get some lunch. And I really am tempted to go out to get lunch, but I've spent so much money going out recently that I'm like, no, like I need to do it. I need to make it myself in here. Good morning. You can ignore the fact that I am currently sitting on the stairs. I actually love to perch on the stairs. It's just so comfy. I feel like I get to see everything. It is a Sunday today, and this isn't really a Sunday reset vlog. It's more of I just have a lot of things that I want to do today. I want to get all in the mood for fall, put all of my fall decorations up because it's like almost done with October and I still haven't done that. And that is just really a crime in my opinion. So I really need to do that. But I also just have a lot of content things that I want to work on today, as well as, you know, just getting my life in order for the new week. So it is currently about 11:30. I've been to church this morning. I took it easy. I am just trying to figure out what I need at the grocery store. So every week to plan out what I need for groceries, I use my planner, which is from the Daily. I love this thing. It is so thick and heavy, but I use this every single day. At some point I need to do a deep dive into this because it's amazing. I'm also trying out this new microphone, so you'll have to let me know if it actually does anything. Anyway, it looks very empty in here, but on this side of the weekly spread, there's like a weekly overview where you can put what you're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. And so I'm using that. My week is a little bit up in the air because my parents and Will's parents are actually coming over to visit us this weekend. And so I need to like figure out what's happening with that. So then once I've gone through that in my planner, I just write everything down in my notes app so that I can bring it to the grocery store with me. So let's go. I am back from the grocery store, carrying all of the groceries across town. I've done my workout for the day. I've just finished meal prepping my lunch for the next couple days. I wish I could tell you that it was a super healthy, super wonderful, I would highly recommend eating this every single day type of meal, but that would be lying to you. This is a wonderful meal. I actually love this. It's not that healthy, but it does taste good. It's very simple too. It's literally just pasta with some bacon on it. Like, I just will put all of the bacon in the oven, make it super duper crispy, and then whip up some pasta, and bam, I'm good to go for a few days. I actually just had it for my lunch as well just now, and so I just need to clean up now. But like I said, this is like literally the simplest thing that I could possibly think to make, but again, like, it's not exactly the healthiest. I will usually also just throw in like some raw fruit and veg that I will also eat whenever I have this meal, so it's not like that is all I am having for my lunch, but it is tasty. I've just finished up with a bunch of filming, which felt really good to get through. I'm glad that that's all sorted. Hopefully I should be good on content for the week. I feel like today has flown by. It's actually crazy. I think the next thing that I want to do though is I said that I was going to do some fall decorating, and it is time for that. I don't have like a ton of stuff, but I do need to like dig through my closet to get to that stuff. So I think we're gonna do that next. And then I have to clean the bathroom, which is unfortunately a weekly necessity. It's literally a task I absolutely despise. But I like having a clean bathroom, so